before 6. Landon likes to sneak in our room in the middle of the night, and sometimes she kicks Daddy. This morning it was kicking Mommy morning, so I'm up early. We are 5 days out from Disney. We are so excited. So come with us this morning. I have so much to do. I can't wait to show you everything that I've done to get ready for Disney. And Landon just has 3 more days of school. We have a lot going on this week, so it's gonna be a crazy week. My new favorite mug. Oh, look at that. Daddy left the door unlocked last night. It was so windy last night. There's leaves everywhere. It's kind of chilly out. Good morning, birds. Phil and Landon did s'mores on that tiny little solar stove last night. One nice thing of waking up early, sit out and listen to the birds. They're amazing. Seven, I got workout clothes on. I'm doing Zumba today. Excited for Disney?
I'm super excited for Disney.
You sound stuffed up. Did you wake daughter up?
I woke her up, but she's not out of bed.
Out of our bed. Oh, these peaches are so ripe.
I've got an early meeting, so I need to go.
Yeah?
Yes.
Landon, these peaches are so good. Landon, breakfast!
And then we're gonna go to daddy-daughter dinner tonight.
You're kicking me in my ribs this morning. That's not funny. What can we have 5:15?
You kicked me in mine.
I did not. Say hi, watch.
Hi.
How many days of school do you have left?
2.
3. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
And then nothing.
And then Disney.
And then Disney.
Yeah, just nothing. Just, a Disney World trip. When the wind blows, the cradle.
You smell like peaches.
I know, they're so good.
Alright, mommy.
Love you.
Love you.
Good. Well, Daddy's gonna take you out so I can start packing for Disney. He's leaving for Vegas tomorrow, so he wants to spend time with you. I'm gonna pack while you guys. What are you doing?
Is that her?
Landon. Yeah, Landon's having millions of peaches. Peaches for me. Millions of peaches. So having yogurt peaches, protein bagel with butter. I'm having cottage cheese, cinnamon, vanilla. Oh, we need to get fresh mint and peaches.
Don't think you'll boss me. No, you won't.
That's with Elena of Avalor.
The least you can do since I am about to give you the greatest gift of all. The gift of eternal night. Here, dusky light. When I get the gift of night. The gift of night.
Landon, choose now. Alright, time to go. It's 8:30. Come on, chica.
Walking on bell.
I'm walking on. It's 1:45 and I am headed out the door. I have like 5 minutes to get out the door to go pick Landon up from school. I dropped her off. I went to Zumba this morning. I did the sauna for 20 minutes, which I'm so addicted to lately. I absolutely love it. Came home, took a bath, did laundry, ate some lunch, cleaned up the kitchen. Now it's time to head back out. I am so incredibly bummed. Phil was supposed to take Landon out. He's leaving tomorrow for Vegas until Saturday night, and we leave Sunday morning for Disney. So I'm like all on my own to get this done. And so I asked him to take her out like to dinner, Chick-fil-A or Mexican food or something that she loves, out to dinner. That way I don't have to cook or clean, and it gives me time to catch up on laundry and get started on packing. So that puts just more stress on me because I have a very busy week. I have something exciting tomorrow night and I'm getting my hair did tomorrow. So yeah, just is a little bummed out by that. And I wanted to talk to you guys when I get back. So we're not gonna be renewing annual passes. So I just wanted to like talk about that for a minute. But let's go to Power of Two Montessori. It takes 17 minutes to get to our school. And I just realized that the dryer stuff is on the wrinkle resistant and will probably be wrinkly by the time I get back because I usually let her play outside if it's a nice day after school. So we're gonna be like over now. And I played after school for like an hour. So it is after 2 now. I'm gonna make her a snack. I'm gonna make me a coffee, maybe an iced latte or something. And go get the laundry done. Oh, look what she made for me. How cute is that? She worked on it last week. Cute little jasmine painting. So she gets an hour of movies a day. And so I'm gonna get her snack, go do the laundry real quick, and then go work on packing while she has her hour movies. My Disney Cruise Line ice latte pick me up. Landon's watching Elena of Avalor, which she's doing Bibbidi Bobbidi, and that's the one she wants. Okay, it's your special experience. Let's talk about Disney World. Like a couple weeks ago, I was out there on our deck and Phil walked out and I was just sort of like this. And he was like, what are you thinking about? I was like, honestly, just like how much I love Disney World. We had just gone in April for spring break. And then we have this trip, which is what we've done the past 3 years in a row. And it is Landon's finished school because she goes through the end of June in Power of Two Montessori. And let's go to Disney. So she finishes school on Thursday and then we leave Sunday morning. 2 things are why we are not renewing. 3 things. Price, school, and crowds. So price, it is like $1,300, I think, $1,309 or something with taxes for each of us. So what is that? 39, like call it $4,000, right? Yeah, that's insane for 3 people who live in Pennsylvania to go to Disney World. The price is huge. I mean, I can't believe it went up that much, but if you see the crowds, it makes sense they can get away with it. So are we gonna get that $4,000 worth of park time out of it this year? No. And also because she's gonna be she's going in private school, but it is 1st grade. And I can't take her out like I used to, especially when she was a toddler. I would just pull her out of school all the time and she and I would go. So the only time she is able to go to Disney World is when all the kids are out of school. And that means crowds, expensive flights, expensive hotels, and it just gets more and more expensive and more difficult to go to Disney World. And then the third, so that's school, and then the third reason, crowds. We were there we went on the Disney Wish cruise ship for New Year's Eve, and we were getting off like January 2nd. I was like, oh, well, I hate getting off at 8 a.m. and like having to fly home. So I was like, we have annual passes. Let's spend 2 nights at Disney World. We've been there so many times, like January 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. And it was empty, completely empty, had it to ourselves. Not this past January. It was not even worth being there. Genie Plus, you would buy Genie Plus and there wasn't many options. And it was not worth being there. And I can't believe, like, I can understand the week between Christmas and New Year's being like that. But January 2nd and 3rd, I just didn't expect it at all. And I was like, this isn't worth it. Like, I don't want to do this again. So those are the reasons why we're not renewing. And then I guess there's a 4th reason as well. And the other reason is she'll be 7 next summer. And it's a great age to start exploring the world and taking you know, more adventurous trips with her. Because I feel like up until this point, like Disney and the beach, like those are the best sort of trips for kids under 6. So I want to do an Alaska. I love cruising. We're going on 3 Disney cruises this year. So I love cruising. I'm like getting more and more obsessed with it. I've always kind of been obsessed with it. So definitely more cruising and seeing more of the ports is on my list. Alani. I've been to Disneyland, but my husband and my daughter have not been to Disneyland in California. Paris, Disneyland. We just want to go to Europe with her. Maybe not next summer, but the summer after that. So just trips like that is what I'd rather spend my money on. And I'm sure there's going to be times when we go for like a day or so, but maybe, I don't know. I don't know when we're going to go. Like we're going to be sailing on the second sailing for the new Disney Treasure Ship for New Year's Eve. And you always have to arrive the day before. And we're not getting tickets. I was thinking about staying like at Saratoga Springs or something and just going to Disney Springs the night before our cruise. So sadly, we will not be renewing, and sadly, there won't be any Disney World unless things change, like any more Disney World videos on my channel, but there will be a lot of Disney cruises coming up. So stick around for that. I always do this, so just preparing for Disney, I make lists. So what I make is everything that's going to go in our carry-on. So Phil's going to be bringing his backpack, and then that's going to be the stroller bag with all the non-valuables. So for carry-on on the airplane, we have our driver Bruno, and he's going to be bringing a booster, so we don't need to, and we're going to drive to the airport. So we don't need to worry about bringing the travel car seat or the booster or anything like that. He's actually going to stop too at, I think he said Publix is on the way. I have to-do list of things I need to get done, and then I make a list of last minute things to put in the bag the morning of. The next one is everything that is not clothes related that I need for Disney World. And then the third list I do the different days and the temperatures and the parks. And then I do outfit planning for my daughter and I. So that's the stage I am on right now. Like I said, we are 5 days out. So I'm going to be working on this a little bit. I'm more working on laundry tonight. And then probably tomorrow I'll show you how I'm going to work on putting the outfits together for myself and my daughter. But I will not be doing that much of it tomorrow, which is Wednesday, because we are going to Miss Jackson if you're nasty. Phil's going to be in Vegas for, I think it's a Flyers draft or something. So he got a suite for me because I'm a huge Janet Jackson fan. I went to her concert when I was little. I know I'm aging myself. So my mom friend is coming with me. And then, oh look, she just texted me. Oh no, one of my college friends won't be able to come. 2 of my college friends are supposed to come, but it looks like someone just texted me they might not be coming. And then 2 of the other wives who work with Phil, who I've become good friends with. So it's going to be a girls' night out at Janet Jackson. I will film some of that tomorrow and then show you how I am getting ready and what I'm going to pack for Landon and I for clothes and outfit planning. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my getting ready for Disney home vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow, and the countdown goes down to 4 days away from Disney. Bye, guys. This is pretty interesting. So tonight they announced Genie Plus is completely changing. It's not Genie Plus. It's a whole nother system. It sounds like it might be better. It sounds very complicated. Another reason why I'm glad, like, I don't have to deal with it. And I also think I really want to go to Discovery Cove, the dolphin thing, Legoland, like things like that in Orlando too. So yeah. Almost.
Good one. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.